on the market. Now what? When we start receiving offers, that's when the fun begins. Here are the 6 phases upon receiving an offer on your home. Number 1, expert negotiation. Negotiation is key. If an offer falls short on your expectations, don't worry. That's why you hire a skilled and experienced negotiator. Number 2, buyer vetting. Before discussing offers, we carefully vet the buyers. We verify their qualifications, funds, motivation, and more. We also assess their agent and lender's experience and commitment. Number 3, offer review. After thorough vetting, we will meet with you to discuss the offers and their terms. We'll provide advice on each offer's pros and cons, but ultimately you decide which offer to accept or to counter. Number 4, multiple offers. If multiple offers come in, we set an offer deadline. Then we request all buyers to submit their highest and best offers. This allows us to pick the cream of the crop, often resulting in a higher price and better terms for you. Number 5, counter or acceptance. Buyers can choose to accept our terms or counter back. You have a final say on which offer to take with our guidance. Number 6, escrow. Once terms are agreed upon, we enter escrow, and the next step begins. In most cases, the closing process takes about 30 days with the loan or as little as 7 days with cash. Let's make the selling experience a success together. I'm Melissa Bartlett with Reese Nichols Realtors, Excelsior Springs.